Dynamics 365 for customer service provides a platform for customer engagement after a sale. The self-service experience provided by Dynamics 365 blends the tool we use for sales with the modern collaboration. It allows customer to quickly find answer to question with a web-enabled device. Discoverable and accessible knowledge available to customer through a collaboration enabled portal reduce the support cost. It also improves the customer satisfaction and increase the brand loyalty. The sales service portal engages customer with the means of support they desire through searchable knowledge base, live automated chat and the discussion forum, as well as the ability to provide organization with the feedback through a polls, ratings and comments. The majority of online consumers prefer to find answers on their own. Dynamics 365 customer service makes this wish a reality by providing a branded, personalized self-service experience. Customers can easily access and interact with a searchable knowledge base that delivers consistent and up-to-date answers. Oliver from Fourth Coffee Company has some ink cartridges in supply cabinet and wonders if they are still viable. They couldn't find an expiration date on the cartridges and of course he wants to find out quickly. He goes to the Contoso Electronics website to search for the information. Oliver's personalized page shows him information on any open cases and provide several features such as search, chat, forms and more, all of which make it easier for him to interact with customer service. Oliver wants to search knowledge article, so he select knowledge base from the pull down. Oliver start looking for information on ink shelf life. Dynamics 365 for customer service provides personalized result optimized for relevance by filtering content based on category assigned to Oliver's profile, including where he lives and product he owns. Results can be filtered by information such as modified date to help him find current and popular content. There is an article specifically about ink shelf life. When Oliver clicks the article, he sees the image that helps him to illustrate details which would be difficult to communicate via text. Dynamics 365 for customer service has a complete KB article management system that track and allow for articles to include video and other multimedia content. While Oliver is happy with information he found, he wants to leave some pro tip advice for other users in technical community. To do this, he browses to forum and start a new thread. Notice that he can stay involved and keep up to date by subscribing to the thread. He will receive email update when new posts are added. Highly rated forum posts can be added to KB queue and sourcing great knowledge from the community. Oliver makes a new post. He is automatically subscribed to the forum and will receive an email when new posts occur. Oliver is making progress but still has an issue to resolve. He searches for KB article about servicing his 3D printer. As he has been working on solving this problem for some time, he decides to open case directly rather than contacting support. He can see the relevant KB article displayed as he types. Having read this before, he continues to complete the case form. The case is opened. He can see new case on his My Support dashboard. Oliver noticed the live chat playout button and decided to talk directly to the customer service. He had liked to get an expert to look at his case directly. Now, let's go to the Dynamics 365 customer service and see how customer service agent can easily provide service to customer using Dynamics 365. Yash is the Contoso Tier 1 service. Yash is the Contoso Tier 1 customer service agent. His customized agent service dashboard provide him a ready access to cases and keep him on top of the real-time activity. Now let's go to the live assist which is configured within the Dynamics 365. On the live assist, he can see that chat is ready and click to pick up the chat. After grabbing the chat, Yash can immediately see details regarding the context of the chat. In navigation history, he can see where Oliver has been on the website and knows he has been searching the knowledge base. There are details related to customer location and chat information. Yes, got the message from the customer that customer has opened the case just now with this case number. He closes the chat context box and look up the case Oliver created. Instantly, he can work the case in alignment with Concerto's business process for support cases. By following this process, Contoso ensure that all the cases move through a uniform process, helping to ensure quality and providing management with needed metrics to support SLA and service commitments. First stage is identify. Since the case is created with Oliver's name, the customer information already populated. Yash knows who the customer is. Now, Yash check if the customer is entitled to special assistance or has an SLA. Fourth copy has a service agreement. Therefore, Oliver is qualified to receive support. Dynamics 365 allows extensive flexibility for creating SLA with required response windows and associated action, including warning and workflow trigger when SLA are at risk or in violation of the terms. He advances case to the research. Yash click on KB records and emails the article How to Perform Maintenance on 3D Printer to Oliver. After chatting a bit with Oliver, he determines that the best route is to start co-browsing session so he can work more directly to resolve his problem. Josh can see that the KB article is now associated with the case. Now let's go to the live assist chat. Oliver received the article, but it was not what he needed. Yash responds with a suggestion to do a factory reset. Yash asks if he can start a co-browsing session. Oliver accepts the offer. Here on the customer portal, Oliver will accept the offer for the co-browsing. Now let's go back to the live assist. Yash shows the button for the factory reset on the 3D printer. After solving the problem, Yash will go back to the case which Oliver has created. Yash will link KB article to this case and he will take a few notes about the case for reference if there is a future issue. And Yash move the case to the next stage for the closing. Now Yash is ready to resolve the case.